Good morning, friends. Welcome back to a new studio vlog. I am currently getting ready, doing my makeup, and then I'm going to do my hair. But I have a lot of candles to make today, so I thought it would be fun to film a little studio vlog. It has been a while since I filmed one, and I really miss it. I love watching studio vlogs myself, so yeah. Today we are pouring a lot of autumn candles. I am in the autumn mood, you guys. I made a iced latte because it is still very hot outside, but I did add a little bit of pumpkin spice syrup in it. I cannot wait for the burn months. As I was saying, I am currently working on the autumn collection, which I hope to launch in like 2 weeks. I still have a lot to make, so we'll see if I can finish it in time, but my goal is to launch it, I think, let me see. My goal is to launch it on the 24th, Sunday the 24th. So I still have a lot to make. I still need to take the pictures. But today I am pouring a lot of the coffee mug candles. I already started up my wax melter and added some fresh new wax into it. I ran out of my wax, so I had to wait to film this video until my delivery got here, and luckily it got delivered yesterday, so we can pour a bunch of candles. I think I'm like halfway finished with the autumn collection, and I am so excited. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me throughout my work day. I already took my dog out for a walk. My son is at daycare with my mother-in-law, so we do have a full day to focus on work and getting the autumn collection finished. Today is actually Wednesday, August 6th. It is 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to finish off my makeup, do my hair, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, makeup and hair is done. I don't think I have shown you guys my new hair yet, but right before summer I got a little bob, and it has been the best thing ever. It is so like airy and breezy and fresh. I love it. But let's see if the wax is already melted. I think it still needs like half an hour. And then I laid out all of the mugs and the glasses that I need for today. So I'm going to pour the Hello Pumpkin coffee mugs. Then I also have these ghost glasses, which are just adorable. Then I have these Autumn Magic cups, and then some glass jars that I am going to make one more batch of beach bum candles in. I know those are for summer, but I need them for my markets. I still have 4 summer markets on the agenda, and the beach bum has been very popular and sold out, so I'm going to make a restock of that. But yeah, now I'm going to first of all clean out all of these vessels, wig them. Then I'm going to measure out how much wax, fragrance, and dye that I need. And then we can get started. In case you were wondering, I just use some rubbing alcohol to clean out the jars. This is very important because a lot of the time the jars look clean, but they actually aren't. As you can see right here, I just cleaned out 6 of them and it's already dirty. Alright, the jars are all prepped and ready to go. So now all that is left to do is weigh out my fragrance oils. And then also for these 2 coffee mugs, I'm going to add in some dye. So I'm going to weigh that out as well. And then I think the wax is ready to go and we can get started on the candles. If you can hear some noise in the background, I just put something in the dryer, so it is making a little bit of noise. But I'm doing some laundry. I just took a little lunch break. The candles are all poured, so now I'm going to clean up a little bit and then start on the wax melts. I need to make the wax melts for the tin jars, like the little wax melts in the shapes. And then I also need to make some toppings for the candles that I poured today, so still a lot of work to do. I also poured these candles a couple of days ago. These are rose quartz candles, so I still need to finish these off with the stones and then also the labels. I am also going to label these candles. I made a bunch of these at the beginning of the summer, and I didn't label them because for my summer markets, they're all at the seaside. So depending on where I am located, I made these beautiful labels. So I have these from my hometown where my next market is this Friday. And these went like crazy last time, so I'm going to make some more. Then I also have these, and these labels for the other like beach towns that I do markets at. But again, the next one is in my hometown. So I am going to label 5 of these. Alright, so the wax melts are taking over my kitchen. I have some bottles drying right here. But yeah, I prepped all of the molds that I am going to need. I have a few more over here, and then I also have some more on my table. So I'm just waiting on the wax to fully melt. Then I'm going to pour all of those wax melts, and then hopefully by that time some of the candles that we poured this morning will be dry, and then I can add the toppings. Oh, and I also still have to do the rose quartz candles. I don't even know where to begin, honestly. Alright, update time. I am taking a little break. It is now almost 5 o'clock in the evening, but honestly, I am exhausted. I slept really badly the other night. Wow, my skin is looking oily. Please ignore that. I didn't get much sleep, so I think I'm still going to finish off what I need to finish off, which means making the tin jars for the hazelnut chocolate scents, unmolding the rest of the things that I poured, cleaning up, and that will basically be it for tonight. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys loved this studio vlog, and I will see you all in the next one. Mwah. Thank you.